Go home happy with the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Enjoy a view of this gutsy Hyundai Santa Cruz, the stylish adventure utility vehicle that pairs composed comfort with high-tech capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Versatility blends beautifully with sophisticated comfort in this remarkable Santa Cruz. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.